Please, first of all, guys, please read the risk disclaimer. Here is the risk disclaimer. It is important, guys, for you to understand, to know the risks when trading on cryptocurrencies, on CFDs, on cryptocurrencies. And also, please, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is very important because maybe we'll host other live webinars here in the YouTube crypto channel. So please subscribe, please like our videos, please share them with your friends maybe, or also on the social media. And yeah, I'm waiting also for questions, for your for messages into the YouTube chat on the right side. So please, I'm waiting for messages, for questions, and also if you want maybe to join our free Telegram group, you can access the link posted right below this video. So we'll start this short session. Peter, how are you? Peter Smith, and we'll start this session with an article here on the coinmarketcap.com. China's central bank says all crypto-related transactions are illegal. Bitcoin plunges 5%. China has intensified its crackdown on Bitcoin mining and trading. So maybe you are wondering, or if you are wondering why the price of Bitcoin maybe drops right now, this is the reason why. So the fundamentals have pushed the price down. And let's start and let's take a look here technically, and let's start with the daily chart, because you can see here, after this sideways movement, breakout from this range, from this pattern, it has increased within this up channel, right? And here it has increased as much as 52,956.47, and where it has found resistance. Unfortunately, here the price of Bitcoin has signaled something like an exhausted buyers. It has signaled that maybe the price could come back down, could develop a downside movement, a correction, after failing here to approach, to retest maybe this up channel's resistance. So here we had something like a bearish divergence, yeah, and aggressive sell-off here on the daily. So breakdown from this up channel signaled a corrective phase. And as you can see here, the price of Bitcoin dropped as much as 39,573.21, where it has found support right below the 50% retracement level, right below 40,904, this former high here, support level, former resistance. So right now, let's take a look on the on the 4 hour chart. Let's take a look. So I've told you in my previous video analysis, I've told you that the price of Bitcoin is under pressure as long as it stays maybe right. I will delete all these from here. So I've told you that the price of Bitcoin is under pressure as long as it stays below this downtrend line here. So right now it has failed to reach this downtrend line. Here it has failed to approach to reach my medium line of the minor ascending pitchfork. I will delete this one as well. And right now it has plunged below 42,900 again, this former low, and most likely it will pressure this support zone here, represented by the weekly S2, and also represented by the 50% retracement level, 41,127.12, and also we have here the 40,904. So personally, I'll wait here for something, for the price maybe to hit this support zone, this area, and because maybe only something like a valid breakdown below it could maybe signal a larger downside movement here in Bitcoin. Yeah, so I'll wait for something here, because this could still be only a temporary drop. as long as it stays above this support zone, above these levels, downside obstacles, maybe this will be only a temporary sell-off here right now in Bitcoin. And I've told you that the price was pushed down by those fundamentals from China, and I will keep this this pitchfork here because the lower medium line of the lower medium line here, my lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork, also represents a dynamic support. Yeah, so something here like a bullish pattern, false breakdown with great separation like here, something like a drop below all these support levels, followed by a Aloha Alex, this live gonna be saved? Yeah, will be saved into the YouTube channel, and you can watch it again as many times you want, Alex. And yeah, maybe I will create a new playlist in the YouTube into the YouTube channel for only for webinars, live sessions, maybe. But I will do this later. Yeah, so personally I want to see something here because a false breakdown with great separation, something like this, if the price will drop, but if it will drop below all these and close far above these obstacles, maybe to test, to retest, could signal a potential growth again here in Bitcoin. So I'm looking, I'm waiting for something like this maybe, because I've told you that only maybe something like a valid breakdown could signal a larger downside movement correction in Bitcoin, maybe towards the 61.8, 31.8, actually 61.8, 38,335.92. Yeah, right now we don't have something really good. That's why I will move forward Ethereum, guys. And if you want me to take a look on a specific cryptocurrency, please, I'm here. Personally, as you already know, maybe from my videos, personally I'm using a correlation between the price of Bitcoin and the other maybe major altcoins. So when the price of Bitcoin drops, personally I don't want to be long on altcoins. So right now, as you can see here, the price of Ethereum drops aggressively as well after Bitcoin's sell-off. So I've told you also here that as long as it stays below, maybe below this downtrend line, the pressure is high. Also, technically, guys, personally, I've drawn here, I have an ascending pitchfork. I've drawn an ascending pitchfork from here, 1, 2, and 3, to catch this upside movement. And you can see here that the price of Ethereum failed here to stabilize above the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork, above the 150% Fibonacci line. Drop towards the medium line, test, retest. It has failed to come back towards the upper medium line or towards this former high, towards 40.25, and then it has resumed its sell-off, its drop. And here on Ethereum, right now, an important sell-off as well. So maybe something like more than 12% drop since maybe yesterday's high. So very important sell-off here, more than 12%. And also, guys, please like this video here right now live, will be helpful for me into the YouTube algorithm, and also this will be highly appreciated. So personally I believe technically here in Ethereum that let's delete all these because it will be easier for you to understand maybe. So I have an ascending pitchfork, and personally I believe that stabilizing maybe here below the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork, maybe test, retest, or making a new lower low here to drop and stabilize to a bearish closure below 2650, 2650, something like potential new lower low, drop stabilization below this former low could maybe really signal maybe a larger downside movement here in Ethereum. But we'll have to wait for confirmations here, because right now, as long as it stays above this former low, it could only test, retest this level 2650. move sideways here in the short term, but a new lower low, I believe that could activate a strong sell-off here, maybe in Ethereum. And also maybe the price of Ethereum could maybe come back towards this channel's downside line in the short term. And personally, right now, I'm bearish on Ethereum. And maybe I'll wait for something here, because only stabilizing above this former low, sideways movement, maybe followed by an upside breakout, a value breakout above this downtrend line to escape from this channel could bring us maybe new upside opportunities. Do you anticipate there will be a big price movement once the US market opens? Do you record this? Yeah, yeah, guys. It's uploaded. Yeah, it's uploaded. Actually, you will find it into the YouTube channel, cryptosignals.org, and you can watch this later. Maybe if you want, you can watch it. Okay, so this is my opinion here in Ethereum. So I don't know, Michael. Do you anticipate there will be a big price movement once the US market opens? I don't know. Well, it remains to see. Right now we have a strong sell-off, but I want to see something here, how the price will react around this former low. Yeah. Let's move forward, and let's talk about Dogecoin as well. Dogecoin, let's take a look, because personally I've had something here like an analysis. So the Dogecoin, one moment, versus the US dollar. I will delete maybe some of my drawings. So the Dogecoin failed here to stabilize above 0.2891. That's why personally I've drawn this descending pitchfork. Yeah, personally I really like to use this tool, this technical tool. I've drawn this descending pitchfork here, hoping that I'll catch a downside movement. Yeah, so drop towards my lower medium line, false breakdown, great separation, sideways movement, and here the price failed here maybe to stabilize above 0.2101. Above this former low. It has failed here also to come back to stabilize maybe above 0.2287, and right now strong sell-off. I've told you that personally I'm using a correlation, and when the price of Bitcoin drops, personally maybe I want to be short on altcoins as well. So you saw that also Ethereum drops, Dogecoin drops, and we'll take a look also on Litecoin, on Ripple, on Cardano, and on Bitcoin Cash, and on other cryptocurrencies. So right now I want to see something here maybe around 0.1963, former low, lower low, because if it will maybe drop and stabilize below the lower medium, the medium line, sorry, the medium line of the descending pitchfork, to make a new lower low here, maybe test, retest, yeah, it could maybe signal further drop, yeah, in Dogecoin. But I've told you that I'm waiting here for something, because only false breakdowns below 0.1963, also false breakdown below the medium line, only test, retest here could signal a potential rebound here in Dogecoin. This is my opinion on Dogecoin. Ripple as well. So Ripple, guys, let's delete everything. And right now the price of Ripple drops as well, as you can see here. So we had this one moment, we had this rebound, this leg higher, maybe something like this, and you can see that the price of Ripple has found resistance at the 61.8 retracement level, 1.4099, yeah, and then drop below the 38.2, signaling that maybe this upside movement, swing higher, is over and that the price of Ripple could come back down. Yeah, so here in the short term, I want to maybe to draw a descending pitchfork here to encapsulate, to catch this downside movement. So drop towards my lower medium line, rebound, false breakout above the medium line, test, retest, and right now personally I believe that as long as it stays below the medium line of the descending pitchfork, the bias is bearish and the price of Ripple could maybe resume its drop. But here as well we have this immediate low, former low, 0.8577, also the 23.6, the lower medium line here, and maybe only false breakdowns here, test, retest, sideways movement here could maybe bring us something like a rebound, an upside movement. And technically, guys, I believe that Ripple could bring us maybe something really good, maybe if the price will move sideways, maybe here, and then to make a valid breakout above the medium line of the descending pitchfork, test, retest, something like a sideways movement, accumulation, consolidation before maybe jumping higher. Because dropping below 0.8577, below the 23.6 could signal potential further drop, maybe along the lower medium line, or maybe could signal a breakdown also below the lower medium line. Yeah, okay. Cardano versus the US dollar. Let's take a look here. So I will move this something like this. I will delete some of my drawings here because it will be easier for you to maybe to understand what I'm looking at here, and something like this. Major descending pitchfork here on Cardano. One moment. So something like this. Yeah. So important swing higher, leg higher. That's why I've drawn. I've selected 3 points, 1, 2, and 3, and I've drawn this descending pitchfork, hoping that I'll catch something. But unfortunately, the price of Cardano failed here to test, to retest my upper medium line before dropping. So I didn't had something really good here. So in the short term, here on the 4-hour chart, we have this support zone 1.961. Yeah, only false breakdowns below it. And very important, guys, here in Cardano, so here is my medium line of the descending pitchfork, which is seen as a potential target, also dynamic support. And what I'm looking here right now is for this. So after that important upside movement, leg higher, we have a correction right now, downside movement. Here Cardano has decreased as much as 1.961. I told you, yeah. Rebound, drop again to test, retest this former low. But technically, the price of Cardano failed here to reach my medium line of the descending pitchfork. Yeah. So when the price does something like this, and when I have something like a descending pitchfork and the price fails to hit my medium line, yeah, it could move in the opposite direction and maybe it could come back towards my upper medium line. But I really have to wait for confirmation here because right now Cardano drops as well. I've told you that I'm using that correlation with Bitcoin, and as long as it stays below this downtrend line, so personally I don't want to go long. Yeah, so here moving sideways, staying above 1.961, failing to reach my medium line, failing to maybe to approach to reach the 61.8, and something like a sideways movement here. And followed maybe by a valid breakout above this downtrend line, immediate downtrend line, could maybe bring us new opportunities in Cardano. Bitcoin Cash. Let's take a look. Sell off right now in Bitcoin Cash. only because the price of Bitcoin drops. So here in the short term, something like this. And don't forget, guys, to subscribe to our YouTube channel. One moment, because I want to maybe to invite more members, because maybe there are more members want to join us. Yeah, one moment and we'll continue. Okay, so here Bitcoin Cash. Unfortunately, I don't have something really good here right now, because personally I'll wait to see maybe what will happen and how maybe the price of Bitcoin maybe will react later after its sell-off. And also I've told you that I'm waiting for maybe confirmation on Ethereum, maybe on Ripple, on Dogecoin, yeah, and here as well. So as long as it stays below this downtrend line, the bias is bearish, and the Bitcoin Cash could maybe resume its sell-off. Personally, I don't like here the price section too much, but yeah, right now the bias is bearish in Bitcoin Cash, and downside targets, maybe potential maybe downside target could be maybe here around 387, as long as it stays below this immediate downtrend line. And the price of Bitcoin Cash could extend, and it's a sell-off to drop deeper only if the price of Bitcoin will resume its drop. Let's take a look again on Bitcoin, one moment. So something like this. So I've told you earlier at the beginning of this webinar, I've told you that personally I'm waiting here for something. Yeah, the price of Bitcoin has reached my lower medium line, only false breakdown for now, and also it has reached the 50% retracement level, 41,127.12. yeah, the weekly S2, and also it has failed to maybe to stay right below 40,904. So as I told you earlier, something like drop below all these, something like candle, a small body up, and huge spike down, something like a pin bar, something like a false breakdown with great separation. Yeah, I will take a look, Alex. I will take a look also on that market. So something like a pin bar here, something like a candle like this one here, a false breakdown with great separation could maybe signal that this sell-off is over and that the price of Bitcoin could rebound, could increase. That's why I'm waiting for confirmation here, because I told you that only a valid breakdown here, test, retest, maybe a new lower low could signal a larger downside movement in Bitcoin, and only a larger downside movement in Bitcoin could signal further drops in the major altcoins. Very interesting. Can you make this a regular webinar, say every Friday? Yeah, I will. Yeah, maybe we'll do it maybe every week. I will maybe talk with my colleagues, and maybe yeah, maybe I will host these webinars, live webinars every week. But yeah, I will continue also uploading and posting video analysis for you guys. So let's continue. So one moment. So Litecoin versus the US dollar. Unfortunately, Litecoin, as you can see, or personally, I've told you guys maybe that the price of Litecoin could resume its sell-off. What do you think is the major support for Bitcoin currently? Okay, so as you already know, Litecoin resumed its sell-off after this spike up, yeah, after that fake news. Technically, the price of Litecoin has signaled. One moment, because I will delete all these from here. So the price of Litecoin, guys, failed here to stabilize above the ascending pitchfork's upper medium line, above this upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork. Its failure to stay above this line here signaled exhausted buyers in Litecoin, yeah, and signaled potential drop. And technically, when the price fails, maybe when we have an ascending pitchfork and fails to stay above this upper medium line, maybe when it escapes from an ascending pitchfork and fails to stabilize above the upper medium line, yeah, we can think that maybe the price could move in the upper side direction and could register a downside breakout. Yeah. You can take a look here. So drop below the medium line test, retest this spike, and then a sell-off. It has resumed its sell-off. One moment, because I also want to use here 150% Fibonacci line, and also so this is my 150% Fibonacci line, and here is the first warning line of the ascending pitchfork, which is seen as a target, as a dynamic support. So here only false breakout above the upside 150% Fibonacci line. So sell off, and right now personally I'll wait for something here. I'll wait maybe for the price to make a valid breakdown below this warning line, maybe before dropping deeper here in Litecoin. Yeah. Peter Smith, thanks, thank you as well. Hi, about coins listening by Binance today, and okay. One moment, because we'll take a look also on other. So we talked about Ripple, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin. So Chainlink, let's take a look here. Because so something like this sell-off, as you already know, we had that strong downside movement on all cryptocurrencies, major cryptocurrencies. Retreat corrective phase, and here it has found support on my lower medium line of the descending pitchfork, and then it has escaped from this pitchfork. It has increased. That's why I've also had an ascending pitchfork. One moment. So something like this, maybe. I will maybe delete also these lines. So and I will keep only this one here. So personally, I've had an ascending pitchfork here to catch an upside movement. Yeah. So here as well, its failure to stabilize above the upper medium line, maybe above the warning line, above the 150%, signaled a potential drop. That's why here something like valid breakdown could maybe signal also downside movements, but we'll have to wait for confirmation. We'll have to wait to see how the price of Bitcoin will react around that support zone. Yeah, and only further drop sell-off on the price of Bitcoin could maybe bring us maybe further drops on altcoins. And I want to draw maybe something like this here. Yeah. So sell-off, it has found support right on my lower medium line of the descending pitchfork, rebound, and right now is pressuring again this lower medium line, and also maybe is almost to hit, maybe to pressure. It will challenge again this the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork. So right now I don't have something really good in Chainlink, but the bias is bearish here as well right now, and also as long as it stays below this downtrend line, personally I will maybe I will look only for shorts, or maybe I will stay away, and maybe I will catch only short-term rebounds, but I don't want to be long. As long as it stays below this this downtrend line, immediate downtrend line right now, technically, yeah. So let's take a look on this market. Unfortunately, we don't have something like maybe strong so we don't have historic price action here, but what can I say technically here is that we'll have to wait maybe here, because this could be only maybe a temporary drop sell-off. We'll personally I'll keep an eye on this one, and maybe I'll make a video analysis later. So growth towards my upper medium line, drop, and maybe if it will maybe stay above the downtrend line, above the medium line, to register only false breakdowns, to move sideways or something like this, could bring us new upside momentum, bullish momentum, but we'll have to wait. Right now a strong sell-off. So we'll continue, guys, one moment, because I want to take a look on something. Also, let's take a look on Uniswap. Here on Binance. Okay, I will delete maybe my drawings right now, and we'll take a look on Uniswap as well. So here, maybe I've talked about this one, but it is important. So after this strong corrective phase, downside movement, sideways movement here, Uniswap has taken out a few resistance levels, downtrend lines. It has jumped above former highs. It has made new higher highs, signaling this growth rally swing higher. But here, very important, it has found strong supply resistance here around 31.292. Retest, false breakdown with great separation. You can see this candle here, this pin bar. Yeah, a small body, a huge spike up before registering an important sell-off here right now. And personally, I've had something here like an ascending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3. So personally, I like to use this this tool, because this tool helps me to identify great opportunities, to identify exhaustions. Also maybe confluence areas, targets. Yeah, so ascending pitchfork, and personally I will also draw a descending maybe pitchfork here to on this downside movement, something like this, and I will use another color. Okay, so after this pin bar here, after this candle, false breakdown with great separation, the price of Uniswap versus the US dollar signaled a temporary or a potential drop. Also, dropping below this former low, 25.317, signaled maybe a larger downside movement. It has escaped also from my ascending pitchfork's body drop. It has increased it to retest my lower medium line, and right now it has plunged. It has dropped also below my first warning line of the ascending pitchfork, and right now, guys, it's pressuring here the lower medium line of the descending pitchfork. Yeah, and personally, something like this, maybe test, retest, consolidation, stabilization right below the lower medium line of the descending pitchfork could signal maybe potential further drop, but we'll have to wait here because we have a former lower low, a static support 18.169 here. So only maybe making a new lower low, dropping also below the S2, weekly S2, stabilizing outside of this descending pitchfork's body could signal maybe potential further drops. Okay, that's it, guys, for today. Let's take a look again on Bitcoin. And this was only a short webinar for today. Maybe I will come back with another live webinar next week. And personally, I wait here for something. I told you that maybe only test, retest, false breakdowns below the lower medium line, below the 50% Fibonacci line. Retracement level below 40,904, test, retest, false breakdowns, maybe a pin bar, major bullish engulfing here could signal a temporary rebound here in Bitcoin. And if the price of Bitcoin will increase from this area towards the downtrend line, then the altcoins will increase as well. And maybe this is not a perfect correlation, but yeah, you can use it. And valid breakdown, test, retest, aggressive breakdown, maybe a new lower low here could maybe really signal a larger downside movement here in Bitcoin, and something like this will maybe signal also important drops in the other major cryptocurrencies. Thank you, guys, for watching this or for joining me here. Please visit our website cryptosignals.org for maybe 4 services. Also, please, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is important because yeah, maybe I will host webinars next week, and yeah, you can set a reminder, or you can yeah, also please share our videos. You can like them. Also, I'm waiting for comments below my videos. This is the only way we can communicate. And also you can join our Telegram group, our free Telegram group here. This is the link, or accessing the link posted right below this video. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye bye. Have a great weekend.